sticks of butter, which equals 350 grams. And the reason for the weighing of it is because the eggs get weighed. You start weighing the eggs because maybe you have huge, large eggs, but like an average egg, I would call it. It's not a tiny, it's not a big one. Equals about 350 grams. And then the sugar, the flour, and the butter will be the same weight. And then you have a zest of an orange, and then you have the juice of a half an orange in there as well. That's what makes it so orangey. Little salt and some baking powder. And that's it. Good. Okay, this butter is nice and soft, perfect. Perfect for mixing like this. And then we're going to add the sugar. I added the sugar into the butter, and this needs to be creamed. Okay, now the eggs are going to be added. It says one at a time. I do two at a time. But that's what it calls for. And then you mix them in. And I just want to say also about the eggs. I say that all the time when I'm in the kitchen. That you need to have good, organic, right from the hen eggs, which these are. I get them very locally, and the yolk is so yellow, orange almost. It almost looks like an orange cake, even without the orange. It's so beautiful. Okay, now I'm just going to do a little dash of salt, and maybe you want to do this. You can get two teaspoons, not quite so full. 2 teaspoons of that in here. Okay. Okay, one more. Okay. That's great. And let's see if we're gonna sift it. So now we're going to get the zest. I did most of it before, so that you don't have to watch me do this. But so you get the zest from 2 oranges and the juice from a half or a whole. I usually use a whole orange, just juice from the whole orange. And the other orange, you use the juice. You use the juice to put it in the confectionary sugar.
That smells really good.
Oh, I know, you can hardly stand it. So good.
I hope we can eat the other orange because that looks really good.
We can, I think. Oh, it smells so good.
Just like the skin.
Yep. Okay, there it is. Here it is. Oops, fingers out of there. This is the dough, and it really looks so delicious, and it is. It's going to taste even better when it's cooked. So you put it into a buttered and floured bundt pan. And if you don't want to have a bundt pan, you can put it into 2 loaf pans. And like I said, if you just want to make 1 loaf pan, you can just half the recipe. So let's you know, entirely up to. It makes a big cake, but it's delicious.
It is. I had it for breakfast one day.
Don't you lick the bowl after Peter?
Yes.
Not on camera. Okay, here it is. Now it goes into a 350-degree oven for probably close to an hour. Check it after 45-50 minutes with a, you know, toothpick or something to see. So, thank you so much for watching this, but we will continue when the cake comes out of the oven. All right, here is the finished product of the pound cake. It's wonderful. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're just going to cool it, and then we'll frost it, and we'll show you how to do it, and Pia will help frost it.
I can't wait to eat it.
Now it's time for the final touch for this nice orange pound cake. So I have, remember we did the orange, we took the skin off and put it into the zest, into the cake, along with some of the juice. Now the rest, the second orange, we take this and then we squeeze it into the frosting. So the water, it'll taste so good. It'll taste like orange.
I can't wait to ice it.
Oh, let's see how much we need of this, because we want it to be really, really luscious and thick. It looks nice and smooth, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. But I think we need just a little bit more. So we probably have a cup or a cup and a half maybe of confectionary sugar. And it looks like so much, and I don't even know if I'll use the juice from the other orange, because we need this to be very thick so it'll stick to it, right? Mm-hmm. We're just gonna see now. It's getting smooth. Maybe we'll need a smidge of the other orange, but we have to see. Because if it's too thin, it just runs off the whole cake. It's very thick, but it should be thick. You want to stir a little bit?
Sure.
I'll show you how. You just kind of and you kind of smear it, and it's going to taste like orange. That too, actually. You want to do it? You want to do 1 spoon?
Yep.
Okay. I'll give you a big spoon. There you go. Just kind of.
Let it go down.
Yeah.
Like that.
And then, yeah. We're doing it so thick so that we don't want to have it really just run off, right, Pia? Mm-hmm. This is Pia's favorite part of the whole cake.
Yeah.
It's this part, it's the frosting.
That's with my fingers.
Yes, you can make them. No, that's it. So, and you use just enough orange, and if you don't want it to be orange in the frosting, you can use just a little water. But it does go a long way, a little bit. Because it's, as you can see, you want it to be thick, and then it'll just kind of drizzle this way to make it look pretty. And here we are. And see how it's going to find its way down the sides to make it look nice. And we are kind of done with our pound cake.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Again for watching here today. We had such a fun time, especially today with Bjorn and Pia. And I really enjoyed making this. I hope you do make the cake and you make the bread and all of it, because it's good. It's good, wholesome. And I hope that you like and maybe want to subscribe to YouTube.
Because I like it.
I'm pretty new at this myself, so you know what? But I do love to cook and bake. So enjoy my recipes. Thank you for watching. Good night.